Production of the Type C2 Stingray ceased in 1967 before the release of the C3. The last release of the C2 received upgraded interior, features including refined dials, centrally located handbrake, new seats, and of course the powerful 427 big block engine. This matching numbers 427 7-litre turbojet mated to the tri-power triple double-barrel downdraft carburetors. The Corvette C2 produced an incredible 435 horsepower. The driving experience is phenomenal. As one of the last to leave the St. Louis factory in June 1967, these are an incredibly rare sight and a showpiece amongst the classic car industry.